slowly. Why can you make it faster, Captain?
We can't do that, Senora.
Oh, please, make this land have a better lake to creation.
The solution to your problem is simple. Open the river, create a canal, and close the Pasig River.
Basilio, how the Spanish Language Academy go?
It's going fine, Captain.
I don't think the government will grant your wish. Father Sibilia is against your side.
Father, please help me. My lover Basilio is in prison. I need him to be released.
Oh, Julie, I help you to release your lover, Vasily. But with one condition.
What condition?
You know what I mean?
Father, what are you doing? Father, no. Father, no.
Julie! 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 No!
How has it been?
Senor Simon, it has been rough. My business is not doing fine.
Difficult. I saved you from the officials who was asking money from you. I lent them money for you not to be disturbed.
But Senor Simon, I cannot really collect the money from the ones who owed me money. They did not give me receipt. That is why I cannot really collect the money from them.
Well, if that's the case, let me handle that. But let me smuggle some dangerous weapon to your warehouse.
But it's dangerous.
Don't worry, it will be fine.
Okay, just do not include me. Okay?
Princess Tumaybara, you're back.
Yes, it's me. 13 years I was away from my homeland, waiting and hoping that I could correct what you have done wrong. Force Maria Clara to be wed to a foreigner. Don't even have the right to dictate her life.
My daughter, she's dead.
Maria Clara is not your daughter. She is the daughter of Padre Damaso.
The night is beautiful. Right, Juanito. It feels good to walk under the moonlight. If only... Hey, young man. Is there news about the Borgia Pilato? Didn't want you to find him? Maybe your uncles know where he is. Tell me if he's alive or dead, so I can get married again.
I'm sorry, Senora, but we still don't have a news about your husband.
By the way, Auntie, give it to Daddy more time so that he can help you. And you and Juanito go ahead because I dropped my abanico. It's better to go ahead with handsome man, Juanito. Come here. On your knees, page your money, and I will give you.
Why are you with him again? I noticed you always go out with him. There is something you're not telling me.
Are you jealous, my love? It's not my intention to be with him all the time. But we always get invited by Auntie Torina. Please don't get upset. I found a way for us to be together again. Am I right? Even you. I noticed you kept staring at that French girl.
Don't pass the blame to me. I don't know what you're talking about. What French girl?
So I am the one that's wrong now?
Paulita, you know that I'm not.
How's Kapitan Chan?
His heartbeat is getting weaker. The poison has already spread all over his body. And why are you in here?
I was here for two things. Your death or your future. We need to come up with a decision. In a matter of an hour, the revolution will start.
Revolution is like committing suicide.
But revolution is our only hope.
Do you want to die yet?
What do you mean?
Isagani, listen to me. The lamp inside the house contains an explosive powder. And any minute by now, it will explode. Let's go.
What explosion are you talking about, Basilio?
Don't waste our time, Isagani.
What?
Let's go.
But Paulita is inside. I need to save her.
No!
Isagani, what are you doing? Padre,
It is good that you're awake now, Simon.
that is nothing, Padre Florentino. I will die soon anyway.
Oh Lord, my God.
Don't be afraid, Padre. But I want to ask you something. Does God really exist?
There is a sun. Wherever we go, there is a God.
But I don't want to die with evilness. I am Crisostomo Ibarra.
May the Lord forgive you, son.
Why did I fail? Why did you forsake us? Maria Clara is dead, and there is no reason for me to live.